So guys, a lot of you asked me for my heavy glam makeup looks because at the time I was basically kind of like a queen of heavy glam and I always used to do it, and you seem to enjoy my heavy glam makeup looks, and for some reason I just stopped doing it just because I don't put my makeup like this much now. I kind of like more natural look, but I see that you really missed my like heavy glam makeups and I'm so glad for it. So for today's video I decided to create this kind of like a brownish gold makeup look, and if you want to see more videos from me and if you want to see actually more heavy glam makeup looks, then don't forget to thumbs up this video and tell me in the comment section down below like what style of makeup should I do next. And yeah, now we can get to work. So guys, my face is done. Our main source of powers today is this little guy. So this is a Revolution Makeup Reloaded Hypnotic eyeshadow palette, and as you can see, it's just amazing. It has browns, like all sorts of browns. So yeah, I'm inspired by this palette today. First eyeshadow that I'm going to be taking from this palette is actually this one here. It's right next to black one, and I have to say this eyeshadow palette is so cheap, but you will have fallout. And I'm going to apply this in my crease. I already primed my crease. I primed it with my concealer, just my concealer, nothing special. So this will be base for all of the other of my eyeshadow. As you can see, it's really light, it's natural, it's nice. And now with this pointy brush, I'm going to be taking a darkest brown that I have in this palette, and this is kind of like a chocolate brown, and I'm going to create that kind of like round shape, but I just want to lift it a little bit. And now again, but just on smaller brush, I'm taking the eyeshadow that I used for my crease, and I'm going to apply it again so I can blend these two eyeshadows a lot better. And then I'm going to be taking a blending brush, but clean one, and blend these two eyeshadows together. Now I'm taking the black, and I haven't done like a glam makeup for the longest time now, and I was really missing it, and this is why for today's video I was like, yeah, I'm going to do glam makeup because I really miss my glam makeup looks. I was watching my video and it was I think New Year's makeup tutorial. It is still public, so you can go and watch it. I'm going to leave a link in the description for that video. But the thing that was really funny to me is that I was like pulling on my skin so much, and like I was so not gentle, and I was watching that video and I was like, bro, like chill, like what are you doing with that is your skin. And I had in that video like 23 years. I was really young, so I didn't realize that I should take care of my skin, but now I realize, and I'm so sad, like I'm so sad that I'm getting old. I didn't tell you, but I'm just retouching all of the eyeshadows that I applied firstly, because as we know, we want these to be really dark, so that's what I'm doing like the whole video basically. I applied and then I blended everything, and now just reapplying. And as you can see, I'm starting to like how my eyes look. And now, because I want to cut my crease with a white base, so my eyeshadow will be like more bright, I'm just going to clean my brush and kind of wet it a little bit with my makeup wipe, and then I'm going to clean all of this, because if we don't clean it and we put white base, like, it will be so messy and it won't be white. I think that we now have pretty like clean base, and I'm going to apply this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in white. I had this for years and I always forget to use it, so today I was like, yeah, I'm using for today's video this. You can also use like white gel eyeshadow or eyeliner. You can basically use whatever you like. I think I like how it looks now. Now on the same brush I'm going to be taking my NYX pigment, and I'm not going to wet my brush or anything because this base is really sticky, and I'm going to leave in a description box down below the name of my pigment. It's not mine but you know what I mean. I'm also going to be applying a little bit of glitter, and for that I'm using my fixing spray, and this is also from NYX. This is really nice kind of white glitter, and I'm going to be applying here. I don't want to apply too much. So guys, this is how the makeup currently looks. I wanted to zoom you in so you can see better everything, and now we're going to blend these two eyeshadows together, and for that I'm going to be taking basically all the same eyeshadows that I used on my crease. So first one is that kind of like a dark brown, like a chocolate brown eyeshadow, and when you blend you want to kind of like a not drag but more tap your eyeshadows. And now I'm taking the lighter brown, so I will blend these two eyeshadows nicely, and I'm basically going to blend until I'm satisfied, and in the end I'm applying black as well. Now I'm taking this Crease, what is this, like eyeliner. I'm going to define my crease even more with it. I'm just kind of like going to blend it. So guys, now I'm finally satisfied with how my eyeshadow looks, and I'm just going to apply some eyeshadow under my lower lash line. So I'm applying the brown, a lighter brown that I used on my crease, and I will apply black, and that would be pretty bad. And that would be pretty much it. So it's time for eyeliner now. I'm going to apply my eyeliner in my waterline, and I'm also going to do like a cat eye in my inner wing, outer wing, everything. Like my eye will be black. And after that we will be applying our fake eyelashes and mascara, and I think that would be it. Like, you can't see anything, like you are like, what is this girl doing? We can't see anything. I know. So after I do my eyes, I just have a couple of finishing touches. I am going to show you everything. I'm just not going to film how I apply my fake eyelashes because I have such a bad eyesight, and I even wear contacts, but they're just not helping me a lot. So I really need to be like this, and it's just not a cute look, but I will be showing you basically how I'm going to touch up my face, and I will be showing you how I'm going to clean these glitters from my face because they're really annoying me, but it's not like such a big deal. I kind of wanted to do that. I want to apply my highlighter in my inner corner first of all, here. So as I said, I want to do a couple of touches on my face, and first thing that I want to do is I want to apply my concealer just so I can kind of like brighten this area here and also clean this here. So I will make it a lot more sharp, and I like sharp. And I'm taking my concealer brush for that. Now I'm just going to tap this with my beauty blender, and this is going to give you effect like you used tape. And now for the glitter, I'm just going to be taking my translucent loose powder, and I'm going to kind of like, as you can see, dust the glitters from my face. So yeah guys, this is the final result. I really hope you like it. As you can see, I'm really satisfied, and this is kind of like my favorite combination to do, like brown and gold. It always looks good on me, and I actually think that it looks good on everyone. And yeah, I'm not going to speak too much. If you want to see more of my kind of heavy glam makeup, then don't forget to thumbs up this video, and don't forget to comment in the comment section down below so I would know that you actually like to watch my heavy glam makeup looks. And that would be it for today's video. See you next time. Bye!